Hello and welcome, dear students. This is the sample paper from released by the CBSE for English Literature and Language, subject code 184, and it is for term 1. It is for 90 minutes, and it's a 40 marks paper for grade 10. The general instructions remain similar. Now let me read it out to you so that you have a fair idea of the number of questions given to you and the number of questions that you need to respond in order to score the marks. The question paper contains 3 sections. This is similar to the previous section, that is reading, writing, grammar and literature. The 3 sections remain the same. However, the number of questions that you need to attempt and the number of questions that will be given to you have increased. Now let me read the second part, that is the section reading. That is, a reading has 18 questions, but out of that you need to attempt a total of 14 questions only as per the specific instructions for each question. You'll be given 2 reading comprehensions and you need to attempt a total of say 14 questions. Each question will give you a certain set of options and you need to attempt that, and the teacher will take only the first say 7 or first 8 depending on the number of questions from there. If you attempt extra questions, it will be a waste of your time because that will not be marked by the examiner. The next is section B, writing and grammar. It has got about 12 questions, attempt a total of 10 questions as per the specific instructions for each section. This means each section is writing section and the grammar section. So you need to attempt 6 of writing and 6 of grammar. That's how you will, 5 of writing and 5 of grammar. You'll be given 6 questions. That means you'll have a choice of 1 question each in both the categories. Then you have literature. Out of 30 questions, you need to attempt as many as 26 questions as per the specific instructions for the questions. All questions carry equal marks, that is about 1 mark each. There is no negative marking. Now, as far as this 1 mark is concerned, we'll come to it as we calculate the weightage. Now try adding this 14 with 10, you get 24, and when you add 24 to 26, you get your score 50, but your marks should be about 40. So how will the teacher calculate, or the CBSE calculate your marks? That 50 will be multiplied with 0.8, and that is how your marks out of 40, the weightage will be given. Now let me take you through the sample question paper after giving you the general guidelines. I'll go as slow as possible because it is expected that you will be viewing it widescreen. You can slow down the playback speed of the video, and you may pause the video in order to read the question paper. I will try not to disturb you unless I have something to explain to you. Any 8 to be done. You can see 10 questions were given to you, any 8 to be done. Any 6 to be done. The next section, grammar and writing. Any five to be done from grammar. Mm. Any five to be done from writing. Coming to literature, there are subsections in literature. This section has subsections 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are a total of 30 questions in each section. Attempt as any 26 questions from the subsections 5 to 9. A paragraph and excerpt is given from your lesson. There are as many as 60 questions in the question paper. Now let me take you through the answer screen as well. The marking scheme for the same question paper. You can see the way the option is question number, option is written, and the answer is written. Do not just write A or anything as such. You will be shading the OMR paper in this examination. That is all. I hope that you will use this question paper for practicing and checking your own answers, that is self-evaluation. Wishing you all the best for Term 1 CBSE board examinations.